I scaled my SMMA to $250,000 per month, but today I'm throwing all of it away and starting from scratch. No money, no employees, zero experience. I'm gonna take you along step by step and show you exactly how I would launch my SMMA with $0 and scale it all the way to 10K per month. That first client is the hardest, but if you follow the exact steps in this video, I guarantee you that you'll start to book appointments and close clients within the next few weeks. So in order to take you guys on this journey, there's gonna be two imaginary characters, Jasper and Nate. Jasper, at the end of this, is gonna have a 10K per month agency. No, it's not because of his cool name. Sorry to any Nates watching this video. Nate is gonna end up at $0 with 0 clients, no SMMA, and broke forever. What's the difference between Jasper, who gets to 10K a month, and Nate? Nate starts his agency, and as soon as he starts, he asks himself, how can I make money right now? How can I start and get a client tomorrow? He's not worried about getting experience. He's not worried about being able to deliver amazing results to the clients. He's just worried about how do I make money online right now? He bought a $997 course on how to start an SMMA. After that, he's like, you know what? I just need to get clients. Instead of actually earning the right to charge money for his services, he starts cold email. And he starts saying, hey, I can guarantee you this result. I can guarantee you that result. And he starts sending DMs and saying, oh yeah, I can do this for you. I can do that for you. And no one responds. He's left in complete silence. And then 30 days pass and he's wondering, is SMMA even possible? Is it worth it? And worst of all, he blames it on SMMA and says that it's too saturated. On the flip side, we've got Jasper. Instead of asking himself, how do I make a single dollar right now? He asks himself, how can I get as much experience as humanly possible? And how can I do that as quickly as possible so that I can confidently start charging businesses a lot of money? He's essentially willing to take one step back in order to take 3 steps forward. How can I get experience, build up social proof, and build up confidence and belief so that I can then approach these businesses and ultimately charge a lot of money because I know I can get them great results. So here's what he does. First, he goes to a BNI networking event. Now, if you're in the United States watching this video, there are BNI networking events every single week. The best part, that it's free to attend. You're gonna roll up in there and it's a networking event with all of your ideal clients. They're all local businesses. You've got gym owners, you've got lawyers, roofers, chiropractors, dentists, every type of local business that you can imagine. They all go to these networking events to connect with one another and refer businesses to one another. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to one of these events, and at every single networking session, at some point during the hour, every business owner gets to stand up and do a 30-second pitch. You're gonna get up and this is gonna be your pitch. Hey guys, my name is Jasper. I just started my TikTok ads agency for local businesses, and I'm actually looking to partner with a few clients for free. Let me come into your business, prove to you that I can get you amazing results, and you only have to pay me after I deliver. If anyone here is potentially interested in having me do their marketing for free, you only have to pay me once I get you amazing results. Come up to me after everyone presents and let's chat. At the end, once everyone is done with their 30-second elevator pitch, you're gonna have so many local business owners coming to you wanting to do a free trial. Most people will start offering free trials over cold email, cold call, over Instagram DMs, but you have not built up any value. They don't know, like, or trust you. If you show up to a networking event and say, hey, this is who I am, and you have the confidence to be able to actually go out there and put yourself in front of everyone, they're already going to know you. Hopefully they like you, and it's way more likely that they'll trust you because you're there in the flesh and they can come and talk to you, they can come and ask you questions. So even if they're not sure, they'll be able to come and clarify. And you'll essentially have a room filled with 30 business owners to pitch on a free trial. If you do that a few times, I guarantee you'll walk away with multiple free trials. And this is exactly what I did with my agency, Atlas Digital, when we first started. And what's crazy is that I had roofers, chiropractors, gym owners, even a freaking bakery come and want to do the free trial. And what's even crazier is that at this BNI event is where I met the very first chiropractor that we ended up closing as a client. And guess how long they stayed with us? They paid me $1,500 a month for years. And guess how we started off the relationship? Off of a free trial from the BNI event. Now, you're probably wondering, what do I do if I'm in England or Australia or somewhere else in the world and I don't have access to BNI? Well, if you have access to the business owners, you can literally walk in and offer this exact same pitch person to person. Because if you walk into a roofing company and say, hey, I just started my TikTok ad agency here in the UK. I'm looking to partner with a few roofing companies that want TikTok ads and want to grow. Would you guys be interested in working with me for free? And I'll only charge you after you get results, if you even decide you want to keep doing this with me. Is that up your alley? If they say, yeah, awesome. Now, if you can't walk in and you're in Singapore, and you're like, Joel, I'm in Singapore, I still want to work with American clients only, what do? Here's the next step. You're gonna call up or cold email different local businesses, and you're going to use this exact script. Hi, Dr. John. I know you guys get emails like this all the time, and I know you're super busy, but I would love to make you a free TikTok ad to get new patients. I just launched my TikTok ad agency to help chiropractors, and I'm doing this free of charge to get my name out there and build up my brand. Reply yes if you're interested, reply no if you hate me. That's gonna get a response, and you can also do that as a cold call. Hi, Dr. John? Yes? Hi, Dr. John. This is Joel with Agency Lab. I know you guys get cold calls like this all the time. If you give me 30 seconds, I promise you I'll get it all out, and if you want me to F off, I will, and if you'd be open to hearing me out, it'll just take 30 seconds. Okay, go for it. Okay, awesome. Well, I know you guys get calls like this all the time, and you probably hate them, and I know you're super busy, but I would love to make you an entirely free TikTok ad to get new spinal decompression patients. I just launched my TikTok ad agency to help chiropractors, and I'm doing this free of charge to get my name out there and build up my brand. Would this be something that you might be open to? That's simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cold call or cold email. You could even do this via Instagram DM. You're gonna offer free trials. Now, the angle here is really important. You're gonna say, hey, I just launched my agency. I'm doing this to get my name out there. And then what's gonna happen is they're gonna wanna help you. If you think about it, the reason why this cold email or cold call and this angle works so well is because you're coming off very genuine. You're saying, hey, I know you're busy. I know you hate this. That being said, I'm willing to do this for free, and here's why I'm doing this for free. I want to build up my brand. I want to get my name out there, and they're not going to feel like there's a catch. You've already explained yourself and justified why you're doing this. So this angle with free trials also works extremely well. The other angle that you could take with this cold call, cold email, cold DM is this. Instead of telling them, hey, I'm just starting my marketing agency and I'm looking to get my name out there, instead, you tell them that you just completed a marketing certification. You could even take my free course, 7-Figure Agency, which we give away for free on YouTube. You don't have to give me a single dollar. And after you're done with that, you could say, hey, I just finished this marketing certification, and in order to graduate, I have to partner with a few local businesses and demonstrate that I can take everything I just learned and apply it in a real world case study. So now, if you're like, Joel, I don't want to say that I started a brand new agency, you could say, well, I just finished a marketing certification, and in order to graduate, I have to partner with a local business and offer marketing for free. Give any of those two angles a shot over cold call, cold email, or Instagram DM, and you'll start landing free trials ASAP. So why would Jasper hit 10K a month when Nate is stuck at 0? Well, Jasper accepted the reality that he didn't have experience and that he didn't have social proof and he didn't have results. Instead of trying to expedite the process of earning money today, he was willing to take a step back to get experience, to get results, and then take 3 steps forward. And what's crazy is that even though Jasper is imaginary, if you look at Matt Shields, who's one of my most successful students, he's in his 20s, he hit $293,000 a month. If you look at Jared Curry, who hit 10K a month while in high school as a teenager and ended up scaling Estate AI with Matt Shields to $293,000 a month. If you look at Tony Lee, who went from 0 to 17K a month in 90 days, what did they all do? They all offered free trials, not forever, but they did at first. They were willing to take 1 step back in order to take 3 steps forward. So if you're wondering, how do you land clients quickly and how do you get to 10K a month as fast as possible? Well, first, you gain experience, and most importantly, you build up conviction. Most of you guys aren't sure how you're gonna be able to deliver results. Go fix that problem first, and then asking people for $1,500 per month is gonna become easy.